There is nothing like the calming peaceful sound of flowing water. So when is a good time to call a plumber? If you have a clogged or leaky sink. This can consume time and cause a mess. What about a slow tub or shower drain? How much time will that cost you as your household prepares for their day? Time for a plumber. You need fast service from professionals who will be attentive and dependable. Call now, 815-269-4122. It could be a running toilet, or a sink that needs rotting, got a busted pipe, perhaps a bad septic tank. In any case, you need a plumber and we can help solve the problems.
Our licensed professionals are on standby to fix any plumbing need you have. Replace a water heater, repair a sewer line, fix a busted pipe, we can do it all. We're quick, we're clean and ready to be on scene. And best of all, you can't beat our prices. Call us immediately at 815-269-4122 for service or an estimate. We're waiting.